Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Millionaire, the ultimate guide. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. Today, we're diving deeper into actionable steps and strategies to transform your financial dreams into reality. All right, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about mindset. You've got to believe it to achieve it. I know it sounds cliche, but your mindset plays a huge role in your success. Surround yourself with positive influences, read motivational books, and most importantly, set clear goals. Next, let's move on to building multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is like walking on a tightrope with no safety net. Diversify. Think about side hustles, investments, and passive income. For instance, real estate, stocks, or even starting a small business on the side. Now let's talk about budgeting. You might think budgeting is boring, but it's actually your best friend. Track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and save before you spend. Apps like Mint or YNAB can make this super easy. Investing wisely is another key to building wealth. Don't just save your money, make it work for you. Educate yourself about different investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. Networking is also incredibly important. Your net worth is often tied to your network. Connect with like-minded individuals, attend industry events, and don't be afraid to seek mentorship. Sometimes it's not what you know, but who you know. Let's touch on the power of negotiation. Whether it's negotiating your salary, business deals, or even daily expenses, honing your negotiation skills can save you a ton of money and make you a lot more. Be confident, do your research, and always aim for a win-win situation. Don't forget to invest in yourself. Your skills and knowledge are your most valuable assets. Take courses, attend workshops, and never stop learning. The more you know, the more you can earn. Lastly, stay persistent and patient. Building wealth takes time and effort. There will be setbacks and challenges, but don't give up. Stay focused on your goals, keep pushing forward, and you'll get there. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, your millionaire journey starts with a single step. Take that step today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.